Kia ora te whānau, welcome to Starting In Te Reo Māori. My name's Grant Whitbourne. This is the #1 YouTube channel for you to learn Te Reo Māori. Now, if this is the first time that you've checked out the channel, then please hit the subscribe button below because there's plenty of new stuff coming your way. So today is a pretty special day. Today is the day we finished our 30-day boot camp. And before I go and post too much else about it, I got a quick video from one of our students, Julz, that I wanted to share with you. Now, Julz had some huge progress. She smashed her goals. She did what she had to do, and she's come out the other side of the 30 days so much more knowledgeable, so much more confident, and she's just an inspiring human being. So please check out what she's got to say and let me know what you think about it down below.
Atamare I te whānau, nau mai ngā hua o te wao, o te nākina, o te waitai, o te wai Māori. Nā tāne, nā rongo, nā tangaro, nā maru. Ko rangi nui e tu iho nei, ko papa tuanuku, e takoto ake nei. Tūturu whakamaua kia tina, tina, hui tāki e. Ka hono au ki taku maunga a taupiri, ka heke iho ki taku moana a tai wānanga, kei reira taku manua. Ka heke mai taku iwi I te wakakura haupō, ko te Aotearoa te marae. He wahi hei ako, he wahi hoki o te mātauranga. Ko taku whare whakaruru hau, ko taku whare tūpuna hoki ko kaihau. Ko ngati hi kairo taku hapu, ko taku iwi, he wahine kaha, he wahine purotu, he wahine ofiti, ko rongo mai wahine. Ko George Morgan tōku ingoa, no te mahia mai tāwhiti a hau, kei Ahitrelia a hau e noho ana. Kia ora whānau. 30 days ago, I embarked on our 30-day boot camp, and my kite consisted of my kia ora, my ka pai, and my ka kite. And that was pretty much it. In the beginning of the course, we'd done our pepeha, and I had to apologise. And I read my pepeha word for word off a piece of paper. 30 days on, yeah, it's been amazing. My kite has the 𝐀𝐿𝐴s and the 𝐾𝐿s and the 𝐾𝐁𝐎𝐔𝐓 and all the way up to the nāku and the māku and the nā and the mā, and still struggled. I got halfway through our 30-day boot camp and thought, whoa, this is like overwhelming. It's too much for me. However, thanks to my rōpū, I didn't give up. I kept going. So yes, Grant, ka mihi ki oku kaia ko Grant, kua tā koha mai te mātauranga o tō tātou reo kia hau. Grant, I don't know if you realise the full impact of your design when designing the 30-day boot camp, but absolutely outstanding. You fed us every day, and you fed us and you fed us, and it was up to us to keep eating every day. And now my kite is so full, and I have the rest of the next 30 days forward, and after that is to digest what I've been given, all the tohu. So Grant, yeah, kei te mihi e hoa. Ka mihi ki oku rōpū reo, o sai rewa ko hone, rewa ko Rosie, OMG, my rocks, my just a massive mihi, ka nui te aroha, ki tō tātou. Amazing. You guys were amazing. Thank you for your awhi and your support. And again, our journey has only just begun, and I hope to be walking beside you as we continue on our journey. Kua motu taku kōrero mō tēnei rā. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa. Ka huri.